for marshmallow. This sideways swirl is for orange fluff. And this one is for George's favorite. Banana cream. Banana. Banana. Where's George? There he is. That's not a man, that's a machine. Okay, watch out your hand, I cannot read. Yeah, that's a chocolate factory machine. George followed the tour group until they came to a balcony overlooking a room. Down below, workers pick the candy off machines and put them in boxes. It almost looks like he has a pretty song. Yeah, that's a chocolate baking machine. Let's turn the page. Turn the page. Look, wow. There were machines that made chocolates with the swirls on top. Chocolate came out of machines on long belts. But how did they get their swirls? George was curious. George is curious. You're going to get in trouble. What you got to do? He's climbing. He climbed down from the balcony and up onto a machine. Oh no. Look, his foot hit the lever. He's making it go extra fast. George peeked inside. He was trying to see what was making the swirls. And all of a sudden, what's going to happen? Oh, hey, this way. Yeah, I'm going to read. The chocolates began coming out faster and faster. They sped by him so quickly, they seemed to be running on legs of their own. Oh, wow. Look at all this chocolate. Quick, bring more boxes, yelled a man with a tall white hat. What happened? Asked another man. Nobody answered. Nobody knew what had happened, and everyone was so busy, no one noticed George. Oh, wow, they're all so excited because look, the chocolates are falling on the floor. There's George over there. Look at that monkey. What's the monkey say? What's the monkey say? What's the monkey say? The workers began to fall behind and the candy began to fall off the end of the belt. See the chocolates, yelled the man with the tall white hat. Yeah. Meanwhile, George saw one of his favorites whiz by. He tried to catch the banana cream chocolate, but it was too fast. Oh, what's George gonna do? At the end of the belt, a pile of chocolates was growing, taller and taller. George had never seen so many chocolates. As he searched for the banana cream, he put the others in empty boxes. Look, George, so fast. He's using his hands and his feet. Needs to be eating some. That's not fair. Not fair. Not all the chocolates made it into the box. But no more chocolates fell on the floor. Some of them made it into his mouth. He's eating them. He's gonna get fatso like you. Just when George and the workers were all cut up, the tour guide ran in. The man with the yellow hat. Get that monkey out of here, she yelled. He's rolling on chocolate. This little monkey's favorite chocolate. Then, that tall white hat said to George, "You may have caused us some trouble, but you were a speedy little monkey. You deserve a big box of candy for all your help." George was glad he was not in trouble, but he did not take the chocolates. Look, he's got a tummy ache. He ate too many already. Banana cream at this taste. Back in the parking lot, the workers waved goodbye as George and his friends got into their little blue car. George, are you sure you don't want any chocolate before we leave? Asked the man with the yellow hat. George was sure. The end. Let's go lay on your pillow, Bubby. We'll read up there, okay? Go get on your pillow. Come on. Get on your pillow. Over here. Over here. Come. Come over here. I'm gonna read. Okay, I'm gonna read over here.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna read over here.
See?
Come get on your pillow.
I can't see you.
Come get on your pillow.
Happy birthday, baby. Love you. Kiss Mama. Daddy.